One time, before she left, Frankie asked Miel, what is our relationship with Daisy? Because Daddy says when she growls at me, you say sorry to your ate. And minsan, pag nanonood kami ng online na church or sermon or sharing ng God's Word online, sasabihin ng daddy niya pag kunyari inaway niya si Frankie o si Miel pag tinahulan niya o ganyan. Iharap niya si Daisy dun sa laptop, tapos sasabihin niya, you pray, you say sorry to God. So sabi ni Frankie kay Miel, what is her relationship with Daisy? Because dad and mom tell her to call me ate. Sabi ni Miel, she's the dog. Kasi si Miel nung maliit pa, nakakatuwa siya. Siya yung diretso na sumagot. Yung matter of factly, siya yung pinaka-realistic. Nung maliit siya, mga 4 years old. 4 years old, sabi ng daddy niya, nakatingin sa kanya gayong matutulog na kami. Sabi niya, Daddy, why are you staring at me? Sabi ng dad niya, no, I'm just trying to memorize your face because you know you won't be 4 years old forever. Sabi ni Mia, serious siya, Dad, why don't you just take a picture? Oo nga naman. Minsan naman, yung bahay namin doon sa Laguna, kasi sa ganda ng hangin doon at lahat, mas malinaw makita yung stars paggabi. So, ang ginagawa nila minsan, mas madalas sila kasi nga ayoko mainit. So, maglalagay minsan si Kiko ng latag doon sa driveway namin, tsaka mga unan. Tapos higa sila, titingin sila sa stars. So niya, wow, look at the stars. They're so much brighter here. They're beautiful. Sabi ni Yali, Dad, we are lying down on the street. Yung ganun siya, diretso siya.